got a fun pair of shoes in. This is the Simpsons Adidas collab. These dropped exclusively at Champs. That's where I picked them up. They dropped 3 different pairs of shoes in the collection. They dropped an NMD, an Adifoam Superstar, and then the Forum, which is what I picked up. I gotta admit, I'm not the biggest Simpson fan. I'm more of a South Park person, but I thought these were really cool. Ooh. It's too much paper. But these are based off the living room in The Simpsons. So some cool details that you get. The toe box is representing the rug from the series. On the tongue, you get a sailboat picture, which is in the background. You get a really nice brown corduroy, as well as the couch buttons on the inside. On the insole, you also get Adidas and The Simpsons. And probably my favorite are the 2 little animated animals on the back, the dog and the cat. We do get some extra laces. Now what's fun is I actually picked up some clothing from the collection as well, so I think we just need to try it on. First of all, got this yellow t-shirt. That's pretty cool. This is a classic right here. Next we have the couch tee, Adidas Simpsons, and then we get a big Bart Simpson sleeping on the back. Look at this. This is actually really nice. Adidas Simpsons logo there. We get the clouds throughout. And then on the back, we get that same cool material in an Adidas logo. This is actually a really good fit. I think it's a little bold for me, but I do happen to rock these Simpson shoes, then I think I gotta wear the jacket and a t-shirt as well.